Hi, welcome back to Manta Performance. Here we have a customer bike, an RD350 specially brought in, and it just wanted it setting up, but we found out that the ignition wasn't working very well, so we ended up putting an Ignitech digital ignition on, custom made stator, and obviously a new loom and a battery. So nice little project, went on the dyno, set up the carburetors, and she's ready to go back to the customer now. Just to show you around what we've actually done, so here is the custom made stator and flywheel that we've machined in house. So I'll just drop the bike down and show you what else we've been up to. So this bike has got a daytime running MOT, so we've had to just obviously put into the wiring loom for a horn and rear tail light and brake light. So digital programmable ignition, Ignitech, battery, custom made loom, so here we are, we're going to do the final run on the dyno now. So we've done all the mapping on the ignition and we've set up the carburetors, so we're happy with it, it's jetting right. So we're just going to give her a final run, see what power we've made. So here we have it, this is the final power curve. So we've got 38 horsepower, but we have jetted it on, errored on the rich side slightly, just ready so the guy, when he gets it to the track, it can fine tune it, do a plug chop, etc. So we're happy with that, we're happy with it to go from the workshop. So